During winter, the focus on home maintenance usually shifts indoors. However, it's precisely during these months that we should be thinking about an overlooked yet crucial aspect of home protection. And that protection is called waterproofing. Now, in this video, I'll be applying both fiberized and membrane waterproofing products with Hamilton's 120ml VIVA Waterproofing Brush. Okay, first up we have waterproofing that we use in conjunction with a waterproofing polyester membrane. Now, polyester membrane is typically made from a tight woven or open weave fabric made from polyester fibers. And used in conjunction with a water-based waterproofing compound, it's designed to help improve a waterproofing problem. It's also ideal for bridging gaps. Fiber-reinforced acrylic waterproofing compounds contain special fibers. They form a seamless, decorative and flexible membrane that prevents water penetration. And they are excellent at bridging fine hairline cracks. And usually the fiber-reinforced products are UV stable, and if you don't want to overcoat, it is not necessary. Acrylic waterproofings that we use a cloth with, or a membrane is the right term. We put a generous first coat down, which is going to be the glue coat for the membrane to be stuck down to. And the most important key point here is that the membrane must be well saturated with sticking it down. There must be no creases or bubbles. The membrane must follow the profile of the IBR or the corrugated iron that you are waterproofing. And we just waterproofing each join or overlap of each roof sheet. Now, because I'm not doing a very wide membrane and I'm just doing an overlap, I'm using Hamilton's professional paintbrush because it's got a nice thick extra bristle blend for maximum paint pickup, and it can be used with water or solvent-based paints. Now, waterproofing kits are available, and that's generally how they're sold in 1 liters and 5 liters, and they come with a free membrane generally. That liquid is enough for only that membrane. I've got people that generally buy extra membrane, then you're doing it all wrong. Saturation is most important. Don't use cloth that's too wide. You're only bridging an overlap. You're not doing the whole roof sheet. So buy the right width of membrane according to what you're trying to seal and waterproof. And these systems generally need to be overcoated with a good quality roof paint. Make sure you don't have any white patches after doing your waterproofing. That means you haven't soaked your membrane thoroughly. Once your waterproofing system is in place, you can then paint over it with a decent roof paint using the VIVA brush, which is ideal for applying roof paints and waterproofing treatments. Just take note, if you have a roof like this, it's terribly rusted and quite bare, one needs to prime it with an anti-corrosive primer before even applying membrane systems to the substrate. It's so important to seal parapet walls because they're highly exposed to the elements, and without proper sealing, rainwater can seep into even the finest hairline cracks and joints. I'm using the fiberized waterproofing with the built-in fiber in the product. I'm going to give it 3 coats, and it's important to come down the side of the walls by about, say, 50 mils on both sides of your parapet, so it's totally encased in a waterproofing system. And 3 coats is necessary, at least 4 to 5 hours between the coats. And with winter periods doing these things, please watch the temperatures, that it's not too cold to apply. But 3 coats, and most importantly, coming down the side of the wall by a few millimeters is quite important. And this product bridges fine hairline cracks beautifully. So we're getting this wall all nicely sealed up. Waterproofing system is now done. We are going to paint our wall. Over the waterproofing and the wall, and extra coats over waterproofing is really gonna give us a sound complete waterproofing system here. And geez, the wall will go from at least unsightly to aesthetically pleasing. Before I end off the video, one can also use a fiberized system, which is what I was applying here to this piece of slab where it joins up to a wall, and I'm using a membrane. So one nice coat of the fiberized product to glue down the membrane. Make sure no creases or bubbles, and once you've got it nice and flat, using your VIVA waterproofing brush to dab it absolutely flat, one can then paint one nice generous coat of the fiberized product over the membrane, and you will have success. So for the application of acrylic waterproofing treatments, I would highly recommend the VIVA waterproofing brush. It's perfect for the application of these systems because it has a high loading capacity for fast application, and it has a blended synthetic filament which ensures an even finish. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please like and subscribe to our channel. We would appreciate it. But before that, go out there and get your waterproofing projects done, because after that you'll be shouting Viva. Thank you from me, BernieB and Hamilton's.